When traveling from home to work, many of us make use of multiple ways of transport, and for millions the train, tram or metro is one of them. Trains are fast, reliable, and safe over both long and short distances. To avoid traffic jams, unexpected detours, and the time-consuming search for a parking spot, railway systems have become more popular every year. The track has to stay leveled to keep the journey comfortable, which can be a challenge when the underlying surface changes. This occurs, for example, at bridges. The track connects the natural surface to a civil structure with higher vertical stiffness, increasing the dynamic forces on the track when a train passes. This results in track settlement. A reinforced transition zone is needed to assure a smooth passage. Trains can cause nuisance in urban areas with their noise and vibrations. One way of reducing noise pollution is the placement of barriers along the track. Vibrations can be reduced by a ballast mat or trench, limiting the effect to the direct area. Both noise and vibrations travel in waves and interact with surfaces in their way. These are just two examples to move this first point of interaction. Our daily train commute is part of a much larger system moving close to 1 billion people worldwide every day. Railway stations are usually strategically placed within cities, and even if they are not at first, over time the city will grow around them. Railway stations are hubs, locations that connect trains, metros and trams, but also buses, taxis, cars and bicycles. When leaving the train, people are rarely at their final destination, which makes the station a temporary place to stay as well, with shops, restaurants, cafes and other facilities. For a city, it is the main access point and first impression for many travelers. This makes it economically important for business, commerce and hotels, as well as a pleasant place to stay, easy to find your way to, and often an architectural highlight, a building with many different functions. Every train is part of a much bigger network connecting people and freight on regional, national and international levels. Railway subsystems can have different tracks, trains, speeds, capacity and frequency of stops, but they all come together at large railway stations. We make use of these networks for different purposes: going into the city, travel within the city, going to the airport, or taking the train abroad. This infrastructure is a vital part of our society, both socially and economically, for work and leisure, and for short or long distances. It is personal, but at the same time the largest and most used network on Earth.